It goes without saying that the cinematic intro you've just seen, it's been edited using this free software I'm going to be talking about today. Because I completely understand that this is a big investment to buy an editing software and also learn it. It takes a lot of time. And when you buy an editing software, you also have to buy many times assets like templates, transitions, effects, and this you have to buy it separately and then it's very expensive. But don't worry, because in today's software, you're gonna be able to do everything you want for free, and it has incredible built-in effects, transitions, text, and all sorts of things that are gonna allow you to be more creative. And it has also incredible AI tools I've never seen before, and you're gonna love them. So first I'm gonna show you how I edited this cinematic sequence, and I'm gonna show you some examples of transitions because they're very cool. And then I'm gonna show you the AI tools because they are incredible, and I'm sure you've never seen them before. So let's go to it now. So this is the software, and the software is called CapCut. They are sponsoring today's video, and CapCut is a free editor. They have a pro version and you can do even more stuff there. But to be honest, with the free version, you're gonna be able to do anything you want. You can do content for social media, you can do client work, you can even do YouTube videos, you can do everything you want because you have already a lot. So here, you're gonna be able to see my sequence. If I press play, you have this kind of blurry effect, which I love because it's a very dark intro and I love it. And then you have another effect here, and that is built in CapCut. A bonus tip would be to always add sound design to your videos because it's gonna level up the production of your videos. And the good thing about CapCut is that you have built-in sound effects and music. I personally use something different. I'm gonna put below the one I use for my music and my sound effects, but you have so many for free in the software, so you don't have to spend anything. So the next one would be this effect here. You see this flash, and then the sound I added is a heartbeat because I think it goes very well with the effect. And this one is another effect. This halo around me, around my face, it's incredible. I think it looks very nice. And this was built in already in CapCut. To add these effects, you just have to go here to effects, and you wanna be able to see all the effects here. And what I like about CapCut is if you go here, for instance, you can preview the effects if you click on them. So you can preview without having to apply the effect. But applying it is very easy because you just have to drag it here and that's it. And then you can extend the effect through your timeline. So if I leave it there, you're gonna see how it looks. And you don't have to do anything. Like professional software out there, they don't have these effects, and I think they're very cool and you can be more creative with this stuff. So you have infinite effects here. One I like as well is this one, the scanning face I added here. And also I added sound effects, very important because otherwise in silence doesn't say anything. And then you have the fade out here, which is this one. It's blurry and then it goes dark, which is perfect to close the intro. So you already got my point. You can browse all the effects you want later. I'm gonna put the link below, obviously, for you to download CapCut for free for your desktop, or otherwise you have CapCut in the web browser and also as an app in your phone. I use it a lot for TikTok and for all my short form content. So here, I'm gonna show you the transitions, which are very easy to make as well. If you go here, you press transitions here, and you have so many, and they are categorized as well by blur, movement, overlays. So I'm gonna go here. This one is one. It's very subtle. It's like blurring the scene, but you can make it even longer. There you go. You see? I always try to match the transitions with the rhythm of the music because it makes a huge difference. And then this is another transition as well, which is a glitch. And I love glitches for my creative stuff. And then this one, which is super nice as well. It's like fading. So it's very simple to do. You just have to browse your favorite effects and transitions and apply them. And they are customizable as well, most of them. So then the next part, well, this is the music I put here, and this is the sound effects, but you can pick any sound effects you want. I already told you, you go here to audio, you have music built in and already categorized for travel blogs, pop music, beats, you have everything you can imagine there. So to show you this next part, I'm gonna open another footage and I'm gonna show you now color grading, but I'm gonna show you as a beginner how you're gonna be able to color grade your footage for free in a very easy way. So you go here to filters and you have so many filters to apply and to play with. And you're gonna be able as well to see the categories: portrait, live, monochrome, movies, retro. So I'm gonna go to movies and I'm gonna pick this one, which is quite popular, Oppenheimer, the new film. I didn't watch it yet. Comment below you watched it. I'm looking forward to go to the cinema actually to watch it. So if you pick this one and you drag it, you'll see again another layer that you can fully customize and you can drag it in the footage. So I'm gonna put it there and you see that it's very harsh, but don't worry if it's strong because you can reduce the opacity here. So let's leave it in 45, there you go. And this is the before and the after. Let's play it. And it's very cinematic, the colors, and you didn't have to do anything. It was built in already in CapCut for free. It's a very nice way to color grade if you are a beginner. So let's go here to adjustment. You go to LUTs, and here I have already some of my LUTs, okay? I already imported them. So if you have LUTs, you can import them and then you can use them. So I'm gonna use this one, I know it goes very well. I'm gonna drag it, there you go, and it looks terrible, but it's a perfect example to show you something. So you have it here, you're gonna be able to see that the effect is very harsh. This is the before and this is the after. But there is something I love about CapCut, because when you apply LUTs from other filmmakers, sometimes they don't work well with your skin tones, but CapCut has this feature that says skin tone protection. And look at what happened to my face when I activate it. My skin is normal again, before and after. So even if I apply the LUT, the skin is gonna be protected. I didn't see any software that has this, so this is incredible. And also, again, you can remove opacity. Don't overdo things because it looks very amateur. So let's go down here and let's apply 60, for instance, and then let's drag it in the whole sequence. So you see here, for instance, if I remove it, this is the before and this is the after. It gives this fade out effect, which is very filmy. So then this, with the transitions and everything you want to apply here, you can get incredibly creative. But now we're gonna go to one of my favorite parts and you're gonna be like amazed because it's incredible. It's CapCut's AI features. So let's go here and I'm gonna show you with my face because it's a very good example to show you what I want to show you. And if you click in the footage, you have a section here that says enhance. You click on face, you see already there is an indicator here. By AI is detecting my face. This is mind-blowing. So you have so many features here. Some of them are pro, but the main ones I would use, they are for free. So the main one is smooth, is to smooth the skin. So I'm gonna overdo it for you to see it. So look at my skin now. This is the before, without the smooth, and with the smooth. And I'm gonna play it. Look. My skin looks so soft. This feature is incredible already, guys. So this is very useful, but again, you can see here, I look a bit like a doll. It's too much. So again, don't overdo things. So I'm gonna go here like 35. And another feature I'm gonna show you is brighten. It detects the face and it's gonna give more light to the face, you see? But I'm gonna leave it there because I like this lighting. A skin tone. You can even change the skin tone. This is a pro tool, by the way, but I just wanted to show you this one. So this is with nothing, and let's go to the darkest. It doesn't change necessarily my skin, but it makes it better towards the light. So I think it's quite useful to use this. And this is for free. You have Facial Beauty. You can make your face thinner. Look, smaller. This is the before and this is the after. I mean, I would never do this, but you know, it's good to have it for people who want to use it. And then eyes the same, nose, mouth, eyebrow. It's insane. I'm not gonna show you because you can try it for free later if you like. You can play with it if you like. I'm sure you're gonna have so much fun. And let's go down, and you can even apply makeup, which I won't use neither. If I want makeup, I put it myself, but maybe you feel like, you know, you want to apply some makeup after. And if you go here, you can even apply eyelashes. I don't know how good it's gonna be here because of my fringe. It's quite good. This is the before, without eyelashes, just with mine, and after. And I'm gonna play. And I have eyelashes. Like, how crazy is this? It's quite scary what they are achieving nowadays with the software. CapCut has an amazing auto captions feature. So if you are creating content for social media, for YouTube, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, you always have to put captions because many people are watching TikToks without sound, and it's good to be able to read. I do have a video where I show you my favorite free apps, and one of them is CapCut because I show you how to add auto captions. So make sure you check that video later. But with CapCut, it does everything by itself. You just have to upload the video and it detects with AI every single word you say. And as you can tell, I'm Spanish. I normally speak quite fast and I have an accent, quite thick. And CapCut detects my language perfectly. Every single word I say, CapCut detects it. And anyway, you can edit it and correct it. And this feature is for free as well. You're gonna have a link below to download it for free. Please try it because you're gonna love it. And if you are thinking about making content, you don't have an excuse anymore because it's for free, guys. When I started YouTube, I didn't have anything for free and I did invest a lot of money. And if you want to learn about how to create cinematic lighting, go check this video I'm gonna put here because I explain to you how to do it using just one tiny light. And as usual, subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet and like the video because it helps me a lot, and I will see you very soon. Big love.